Good morning everyone and welcome back to Daily Spanish News program. Today on the 22nd of October 2024, we'll bring you information about a very unique and interesting tourist destination called Kurma Park or Kebun Kurma Sukorejo. Kurma Park is one of the most distinctive and fascinating destinations to visit in the Pasuruan area. It is the first and only tourist spot in Indonesia with a Middle Eastern ambience. It is located in East Java, specifically in Sukorejo district, Pasuruan Regency. What makes Kurma Park so unique and interesting is the distinct experience it offers compared to other tourist spots in Indonesia. At this location, you can enjoy the sight of hundreds of date palm trees and even pick dates directly from the trees. As we know, dates are traditionally associated with the Middle Eastern countries, but the owner of this park has successfully cultivated over 500 date palm trees in Indonesia. And now, we'll go over to our Spanish news reporter for the full story.
Good morning viewers, I'm Putri Yaya Mbara, reporting live from Kurma Park, the only educational tourism destination of its kind in Indonesia. Residents of Pasuruan, especially those in Sukorejo, to be proud to have such a unique tourist destination which also serves as an educational facility offering a taste of the Middle East. Since its opening on the 1st of January 2017, Kurma Park has attracted visitors consistently. The park is open daily except Mondays from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Entry tickets cost just 15,000 rupiah on weekdays and 20,000 rupiah on weekends. At the entrance, visitors are greeted with educational information about date palm trees, including their anatomy, planting techniques, life cycle, and the various types of date palms grown in the park. For those who prefer not to walk, there's an outdoor area that can be toured by Andong, a traditional horse-drawn carriage. Visitors can enjoy beautiful views shaded by date palm trees, along with a variety of attractions such as a swimming pool, a strawberry pool, bumper cars, flying fox, trampoline, playground, and air bike. The park also features a 6D cinema and an outbound play area. There are several scenic photo spots, including Abu Dhabi Park, the Kurma Park icon, and an airplane icon. Well, viewers, in addition to the pictures views, visitors can engage in agricultural education, learning how to plant rice and observing the greenhouse and hydroponics areas where fruit plants are sold. One of Kurma Park's standout features is the set of facilities that simulate Hajj rituals. You'll find a replica of the Kaabah, the Safa and Marwa hills, a Jamarot, place for stoning, and Jabal Rahmah, Mount Rahmah. These replicas are often used by prospective Hajj pilgrims for practicing the rituals before traveling. Finally, visitors can explore the airplane icon, which serves as the park's souvenir center where various souvenirs are sold. You can also enjoy a range of date-based products, including date dodol, a type of candy, date juice, and date ice cream. Dates are known for the health benefits, such as boosting stamina and providing essential vitamins and minerals, making them an ideal snack for breaking the fast. There are so many educational opportunities here at Kurma Park, making it a must-visit destination in Sukorejo, Pasuruan. Don't miss out. For more information, you can visit our website at www.smpn2sukorejo.sch.id. Well, viewers, we'll be back to the studio with another news. Thank you.
Thank you Ayu, who has reported the news from Kurma Park, Sukorejo, Pasuruan. Well, viewers, that's all the Daily Spanish News program today. Thank you for watching. See you and goodbye.